Welcome to our 3 days weather forecast. In the last 48 hours, a local government area of Niger State has experienced flooding, precisely Kotongora area, which resulted to loss of lives and properties as a result of none or poor existent drainage system. And moving into Sunday afternoon, isolated thunderstorms are expected over parts of Adamawa, Taraba, Gombe, Bauchi, Kano, Katsina, Kaduna, extending to Zamfara and Sokoto states, although not as intense as what we've had in the past days. To the central region, isolated thunderstorms accompanied with rains are expected over parts of Plateau, Benue, the Federal Capital Territory, Niger, and Kwara states. The bulk of these weather activities are tilted southwards to affect parts of Enugu, Imo, Ondo, Ogun, Osun, Ekiti, Delta, Lagos, Cross River, Rivers, and Bayelsa states. Temperatures over the north ranges between 27 to 31 degrees Celsius, with 27 degrees over Bauchi, 28 degrees over Gombe, Gusau, Kaduna, Kebbi, and Sokoto, 30 degrees Celsius over Kano, Katsina, and Dutse, and 31 degrees Celsius over Maiduguri. To the central region, it ranges between 24 to 29 degrees Celsius, with 24 degrees over Jos, 27 over Abuja, 28 degrees over Minna, Ilorin, and Lokoja, and 29 degrees Celsius over Makurdi and Lafia. To the south, temperatures ranges between 27 to 31 degrees Celsius, with 27 degrees over Akure, 29 degrees over Enugu, Lagos, Calabar, and 31 degrees over Port Harcourt. For Monday, morning rains are expected over the coastal region to include Enugu, Imo, Ogun, Edo, Delta, and the southeast inland. With this rainfall activity should also affect the central region to include parts of Nasarawa, the Federal Capital Territory, and Niger State, with cloudiness over the remaining parts of the central region. Parts of Adamawa, Taraba, Gombe, and Kaduna should also see morning thunderstorms as well. Further into the day, we expect more organized weather systems to affect the northern region, to include parts of Taraba, Yobe, Gombe, Bauchi, Kaduna, Kano, Katsina, and Sokoto states. Isolated thunderstorms also expected over the central region and moderate rains to Ekiti, Imo, Delta, Ogun, Osun, Lagos, Edo, Cross River, and Rivers states. An increase in maximum temperatures are expected over the north as it ranges between 28 to 32 degrees Celsius, with 28 degrees over Kaduna, 29 degrees over Bauchi, and 32 degrees over Maiduguri. No significant change is expected over the central and the southern region as it ranges between 24 to 31 degrees Celsius. Tuesday morning should be cloudy over the northern region with isolated thunderstorms over Borno, Adamawa, Yobe, and Jigawa states. Increased cloudiness is also expected over the north-central region with few rain clouds to parts of Benue, Kogi, and the Federal Capital Territory. Moving down to the southern region, there are possibilities of moderate rains to the inland cities of the south and the stretch of the coast. The afternoon and evening hours looks favorable for weather activities as continuous to intermittent rains are expected over the southern region. Thunderstorms to the central cities to include parts of Benue, the Federal Capital Territory, Kwara, Plateau, and Niger states. Also, isolated thunderstorms are expected over the northern region to include parts of Borno, Taraba, Gombe, Bauchi, Kaduna, Kano, Katsina, and Sokoto states. For Tuesday's forecast, there are no significant change in maximum temperatures as it ranges between 24 to 32 degrees Celsius. And that's how I'll conclude our 3 days weather forecast. I am Taidi, Helen. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again.